Are you tired of wondering who changed or deleted files in your shared Dropbox folder? Here's exactly how to see every action. First, sign in to Dropbox.com. Then I'll show you how to open the folder, access the Activity tab, and use filters to pinpoint changes. Alright, let's start. Open your browser and head over to Dropbox.com. Go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. This is the web version, not the desktop app. We need the full interface for this to work. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders listed right there. Now locate the folder you want to check. It might be a shared project folder, a team folder, or just something you're collaborating on with a friend. Click on that folder to open it. This takes you inside the folder where you can see all the files, and here's the important part. Look at the top of the page, right near the folder name. You should see a tab or a panel labeled Activity. It might say Activity with a little clock icon next to it. Click on that. This is your command center for everything that has happened in this folder. So now you're looking at a feed of recent actions. You'll see a list of events like file edits, uploads, deletions, and shares. Each entry shows you who did what and when. For example, it might say Sarah edited document.pdf or Mike deleted photo.jpg. This gives you a clear, time-stamped record of every change. It's like a security camera for your folder. Now, pay attention to this one because it makes everything easier. If you're looking for something specific, like who deleted a file last Tuesday, you don't have to scroll through everything manually. There are filters available. You'll see options to filter by date range, by person, or by action type. For instance, you can select deletions from the action dropdown and only see when files were removed. Or you can pick a person's name and see everything they've done in that folder. These filters are your best friend when you're trying to investigate a specific change. One thing I've learned from working with Dropbox over the years is that the Activity panel doesn't always show up if you're just looking at a single file. You have to be inside the folder itself. So if you don't see the Activity tab, double-check that you've actually opened the folder, not just clicked on the top-level view. It's a small detail, but it trips people up all the time. And now for a final tip. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can click on any individual action to get more details. Sometimes it will even let you restore a deleted file right from that entry. That's a lifesaver if someone accidentally removed something important. So to recap, you sign in, open the folder, click Activity, review the actions, and use those filters to zero in on exactly what you need. Now you can audit every edit, upload, and deletion in your shared folders in seconds. No more wondering, no more guessing, you've got this.